Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up face unlock on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to add face data, we need to go to the settings. In these settings, you want to scroll down and find fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Let's go over here. And then you have face unlock over here. You want to tap on this option. And you will need to confirm your PIN code, or if you don't have any, not PIN code, but password. And if you don't have screen lock, then you will need to set it up before you can use the face recognition feature. So let's proceed. Then we have the add face data information. So we need to make sure that all parts of our face aren't covered by any objects and are clearly visible. Your face should be well lit as well. So let's press start. Of course, we can also read the information that face unlock is less secure than a PIN, password, or pattern, and your device might be unlocked with your photo as well as by people or objects with a similar appearance. So we need to keep that in mind. Let's go next. Of course, our front camera will be turned on, so now we need to scan our face. And once we are done, we should see the information that the face recognition has been added successfully. We can set the name for the face data and we can press done. In addition to that, we have some additional options over here, like we can go to the face and delete the face data. We can add another face. We can unlock our device using face data. We also have the option to stay on lock screen after unlocking, so if you still wish to be in the lock screen after you use the face recognition feature, then of course you can turn this option on, otherwise you can turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!